Hey everyone, looking for the best blender in 2026? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 powerful blenders, perfect for smoothies, meal prep, protein shakes, soups, and more. Whether you're a home cook, fitness fan, or tech lover, these blenders deliver serious performance and value. Stay tuned to discover which blender is the best fit for your kitchen and lifestyle this year. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product smart kitchen reviews. Product number 1. Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender. The Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender is one of the most advanced premium blenders available in 2026. I love how it combines professional-grade performance with smart technology features that make blending easier and more precise. Powered by a high-performance motor, this blender crushes ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and tough vegetables effortlessly. The touchscreen controls and programmable settings help create smoothies, soups, sauces, and nut butter with consistent results every time. What really stands out is the self-detect container technology, which automatically adjusts blending settings based on the container size. That's a huge bonus for busy home cooks and fitness lovers. The sleek design also gives any kitchen a modern look. Although it's a premium-priced blender, the durability and blending power justify the investment. If you want professional blending performance with smart features, the Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender is absolutely one of the best blenders to buy in 2026.
Product number 2, Ninja Kitchen System. The Ninja Kitchen System is an excellent all-in-one blender solution for families, home cooks, and smoothie lovers. I really like how versatile this machine is because it works as a blender, food processor, and smoothie maker all in one compact setup. Equipped with powerful blades and multiple speed settings, it easily crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, chops vegetables, and prepares dough for baking. One of the best features is the large pitcher capacity, making it ideal for preparing drinks or meals for multiple people. The included personal blending cups are also perfect for quick protein shakes and smoothies on busy mornings. For fitness fans, this feature saves a lot of time. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly, which makes daily use very convenient. Overall, the Ninja Kitchen System delivers outstanding performance at a competitive price, making it one of the best blender systems for kitchens in 2026.
Product number 3. Braun TriForce Power Blender. The Braun TriForce Power Blender offers an impressive combination of precision, durability, and modern blending technology. I found this blender especially useful for creating smooth smoothies, creamy soups, and frozen drinks without leaving chunks behind. Its tri-action technology blends ingredients efficiently by directing food into the blade system for faster and smoother results. The powerful motor gives this blender excellent crushing ability, while the variable speed controls provide better texture customization for different recipes. One feature I really appreciate is the durable stainless steel blades that stay sharp even after heavy daily use. The blender jar is also sturdy and designed to reduce splashing during blending sessions. For tech lovers and home cooks, the Braun TriForce Power Blender delivers reliable performance with a sleek, modern design. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-quality blender that balances power, convenience, and versatility. In 2026, this blender definitely deserves a spot among the top kitchen appliances.
Product number 4, Vitamix 5200 Professional Blender. The Vitamix 5200 Professional Blender remains one of the most trusted and powerful blenders, even in 2026. I personally love its classic design and unmatched blending performance. This blender is built with a commercial-grade motor capable of handling tough ingredients like frozen fruit, nuts, seeds, and fibrous vegetables with ease. It creates ultra-smooth textures that many standard blenders simply cannot match. The variable speed control gives users complete flexibility, allowing you to make smoothies, soups, nut butter, frozen desserts, and sauces exactly the way you want. One major advantage is its long-lasting build quality. Many users report using this blender for years without performance issues, which makes it a smart long-term investment. For home cooks and fitness fans who want professional quality blending at home, the Vitamix 5200 Professional Blender continues to be one of the best premium blender choices available. Its reliability, power, and versatility make it a top pick in 2026.
Product number 5. Ninja BlendBoss Personal Blender. The Ninja BlendBoss Personal Blender is a fantastic option for anyone who needs fast and convenient blending on a daily basis. I really like this blender because it's compact, portable, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Designed mainly for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks, it's perfect for fitness fans and busy individuals who want quick blending results without taking up too much kitchen space. The high-speed motor easily crushes ice and frozen fruit, producing smooth drinks within seconds. The travel-friendly blending cups are extremely convenient because you can blend and take your drink on the go immediately. Cleaning is also very simple since the removable parts are dishwasher safe. For people who don't need a large professional blender but still want strong blending performance, the Ninja BlendBoss Personal Blender offers excellent value. It's affordable, efficient, and ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and active lifestyles. In 2026, it remains one of the best personal blenders available.
Product number 6, Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 Watt. The Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 Watt is one of the most versatile blender combos for smoothie lovers and home kitchens in 2026. I really enjoy how this blender combines personal blending convenience with full-size blending power. The 1200 watt motor delivers excellent performance for crushing ice, blending fruits, preparing sauces, and making healthy shakes quickly and smoothly. One of the standout features is the multiple container options included in the package. You can use the large pitcher for family meals or the smaller cups for personal smoothies and protein drinks. This flexibility makes it perfect for both home cooks and fitness enthusiasts. The easy-to-use controls and durable blade system also improve the overall user experience. If you're searching for a blender that offers both convenience and strong performance at a reasonable price, the Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 Watt is a fantastic choice. It's reliable, powerful, and ideal for everyday blending tasks. Thanks for watching my Top 6 Best Blenders 2026 review. I hope this video helped you find the perfect blender for your kitchen and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Also, check the links in the description for prices and more details.